tí a ṣe wò tán yẹn ó dáa ó dẹ̀ tún kọ́yàn lọ́gbọ́n.
Ní oṣù tó ń bọ̀ ṣé tá a bá tún gbé fíìmù tó rí bí relé wa ṣe tún máa wá wò.
A máa wá wò.
Please can you tell us how you feel after watching the movie?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I was psychologically bewildered in the course of my viewing of that movie because the movie was all inspiring and motivating. In fact, I'm blessed for watching that movie.
The lesson you have learned from the movie?
Yes, the lesson I have learned from this movie, they are numerous. But first of all, I want us to be conscious of the facts. Fact number one, I want us to be conscious of this fact that we all, when we are being faced with a lot of challenges or challenge, we should not try to meander ourselves in an ensuable cataract. We must be able to stand on our 2 feet and make sure we apply faith into everything we are doing. Please keep watching CO TV. We are part of the convener of this dramatic movement. God bless COV. God bless the world.
Amen.
Good, because the movie teaches a lot to me. There are so many lessons I learned from the movie. In the area of training children, in the area of marriage, in the area of home, so many things I learned.
Keep watching COTV. Thank you.